Today we're looking at this USB flash drive. I don't know how you pronounce the company name, Phicool maybe. 128 gigabyte Phicool. So you get the instructions, quick start guide, and you can get a more detailed PDF at their site, I guess. USB 3, supposed to be. I don't know why that's bent. Okay, so it locks in place. You can also flip this up to plug into your Android phone. It locks in the center position. And you have the lightning plug to plug into iPhones and stuff. Okay, that does lock if you push it far enough. It'll lock. Kind of sounds like metal. And it has a USB-C adapter. If you have something that's USB-C, you can also plug it in that way. If you push hard enough, even with it locked in place, it'll still pop in. So there's that. I guess you can take it out of this little plastic case here with this, out of the little metal thing. Oh, now let's plug it in and see what we got here. You have to push down slightly to unlock it, or push really hard on it. Okay, let's copy over some videos. So at least one reason that it would be so slow in transfer speed is this computer only supports USB 2, or maybe the drive is not really USB 3. I don't know. Okay, let's see if the files are actually on there. That don't look good. Okay, that file's not actually there. Apparently neither is this one. Nope, this one isn't either. See, this is what's really wrong with faking these drives like this. Okay, that one's there. That one's there. And this one's not. Because you never know how much you lose trying to use the drive, because it looks like it's there, but it's not. So none of the rest of these are probably on there. Nope. Let's see, was that one the one that played? If that one plays, that one plays, this one don't. Nope, that one does. That one does. That one does. That one don't. Okay, here. Up. So roughly 30.1 gigabyte of actual drive space. The rest just won't play. And it looks like this drive is fake. The H2 test W thing, whatever this program's called, is basically saying you've got 30.2 gigabytes of OK memory, and the rest, the 88.7, is nothing but data loss. To make matters worse, the read speed on it is horrendous. It's weird that the write speed is faster than the read speed. That could be my computer, I guess. I don't know. As far as I can remember, though, that is the worst read speed I've ever seen on here. But that is pretty much it. So there you have it. I don't know how you pronounce it, maybe Phicool. Apparently it's garbage. The inside's been faked. So it appears to have more memory than it actually has. So if you trust it with your files, you'll lose all your files. So it's going back. That's pretty much the review. It's garbage. And insulting that they trying to trick you into buying this piece of crap that they know don't work because they had to program it deliberately to deceive you that it doesn't have, the RAM that it's supposed to have in it, the memory. So I'm going to have to send it back to Amazon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.